This is how you will create a contact. Inside the contact section in the upper right hand corner, you have a button that says Add Contact. When you click on Add Contact, you've got a couple of field options. First name, last name, email, phone number. Underneath the phone number, you can choose the type of phone. You can also add additional phone numbers as long as you have a phone number attached. Contact type can also be chosen, time zone, and DND for these channels. This will make sure that your system doesn't automatically reach out to this particular contact, whether you select email or text messages, voice call, voicemail, inbound calls, and SMS. Each of these can also be enabled by the contact themselves, through which you do not have the ability to contact them if they mark DND from their side first. Once you have added your details for this contact, including contact image, you can then click on Save. The little icons that show a little red dot are required fields. In the upper right-hand corner, you can click on Customize Form. This will allow you to add additional fields to the contact form. You can manage the fields in the upper right-hand corner. By clicking on Manage Fields, you can choose on each one of the selected fields that will be enabled or disabled. For example, if you do not want to add a phone number, you can deselect the contact phone number from the contact record. This will depopulate the phone from the Add Contact fields. You can then enable additional information such as city and state, and once you're happy with the settings, click on Save. Inside of the customized fields for Add Contact, you can choose which one of the fields are required in order to enter and create a contact. For example, if we want email to be a required field form, click on the checkbox. Click on Save once you're happy, and then go to the contact fields again. Once we click on Add Contact, the new fields will now be selected. We added city and state. We also made email a required field form. Once you enter in all the contact record details, you can click on Save, and they will populate in the required field or smart list.